There are many best stand mixers to choose from with different features and prices. I researched and compiled a list of the best stand mixers from top brands. These products can really help people like you. Check the product description for pricing and details. Number 1. Amari Magus 7.4 QD Electric Dough Mixer with timer and fermentation. Dough kneading machine for bread, pizza, pasta, and sourdough. Large capacity up to 2.1 kilograms dough. This dough kneading machine is specially designed to deliver perfectly kneaded bread, pizza, roti, pasta, and sourdough with less effort than a traditional stand mixer. Its spacious 7.4 QD BPA-free 304 stainless steel bowl handles 2100 G of flour, making it ideal for family-sized batches. Simply add your ingredients, set the timer, and let the machine do the hard work while you enjoy hands-free convenience. The built-in fermentation function maintains an ideal temperature of 77 to 100 degrees Fahrenheit, up to 38 degrees Celsius, helping dough rise up to 50% faster than natural room temperature fermentation for soft, fluffy, and consistent results. Designed for everyday home baking, it operates with reduced vibration and low noise for a more comfortable experience. The durable stainless steel bowl is easy to clean, ensuring quick maintenance after every use. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced baker, this dough kneader makes homemade baking easier, faster, and more enjoyable. Key benefits: better dough quality every time. Designed specifically for kneading dough, it develops stronger gluten for softer bread, chewier pizza crusts, and perfectly elastic dough with minimal effort. Faster, convenient home baking. Automatic kneading, built-in timer, and fermentation function reduce preparation time while delivering consistent bakery-style results for the whole family. Number 2. Yukonluck Dough Mixer 7L Large Capacity Electric Dough Maker with Ferment Function for baking bread dough and pizza dough. Dough Whisk 304 stainless steel blender. Add water / seasoning with top small window. Create delicious homemade bread, pizza, pastries, and more with the 7L Dough Mixer, designed to make baking easier and more efficient. Its large capacity bowl is perfect for preparing multiple batches, making it ideal for families, gatherings, or enthusiastic home bakers. The constant temperature fermentation feature provides the ideal environment for yeast, helping dough rise evenly for soft, fluffy, bakery-quality results. A convenient top ingredient window allows you to add water, flour, or seasonings during mixing without stopping the machine, saving time and improving flexibility. Built with a powerful motor and durable construction, this mixer delivers reliable performance for everyday use. Key benefits: consistent bakery quality dough, constant temperature fermentation, and scientific intermittent kneading help develop gluten properly while preventing overheating, resulting in soft, fluffy, and evenly risen dough every time. Convenient for large batch baking, the generous 7L capacity and ingredient adding window let you prepare multiple loaves, pizzas, or pastries efficiently without interrupting the mixing process. Number 3. Banfluxion Commercial Dough Mixer 30 QD 1500 W110V Dual Speed Dual Action Stainless Steel Spiral Stand Mixer for pizza dough built for demanding commercial kitchens. This 30 QD 30L Spiral Dough Mixer is crafted entirely from premium 304 stainless steel for exceptional durability and hygiene. Powered by a robust 1.5 kW pure copper motor, it delivers reliable performance for kneading large batches of bread, pizza, pastry, pasta, and dumpling dough with ease. Its dual-action system rotates both the bowl and spiral hook simultaneously, while dual speed settings provide precise control for different dough consistencies. The automatic safety shutoff activates when the protective cover is opened, enhancing workplace safety. A tiltable bowl simplifies dough removal and cleaning, while efficient ventilation ensures long-lasting, dependable operation during continuous commercial use. Benefits: boost productivity, mixes large batches quickly and consistently, saving time and reducing manual labor for busy commercial kitchens. Delivers consistent results. Dual-action mixing and adjustable speeds ensure smooth, evenly kneaded dough for better texture and quality every batch. Number 4. Haya's High Dough Mixer with Fermentation Function 5.3 QT Large Capacity Dough Maker for bread, pizza, and sourdough. Electric dough kneading machine with stainless steel bowl. Create fresh homemade dough effortlessly with this 5 QT electric dough maker, powered by a reliable 250W motor for consistent mixing performance. Designed to handle bread, pizza, dumpling, cookie, and cake dough, it features an intelligent automatic fermentation function that maintains the ideal temperature for soft, well-risen dough. The spacious bowl accommodates 300G to 1600G of flour, making it perfect for family baking. A transparent lid and convenient top-feeding window allow easy ingredient additions and continuous monitoring during mixing. The silicone noise reduction base ensures quiet operation for a comfortable kitchen experience. Easy to use and highly efficient, this versatile dough maker delivers evenly mixed, perfectly prepared dough every time. Benefits: saves time and effort, automatically kneads and ferments dough, reducing manual work while delivering consistent baking results. Perfect for family baking. The spacious 5QT capacity prepares enough dough for multiple loaves, making homemade baking easier for families and gatherings. Number 5. Brevelshen 40QT Commercial Dough Mixer, 1800W Electric Dough Flour Kneading. Machine Bread Kneader Professional Stainless Steel Stand Mixer designed for professional food preparation. This 40QT commercial spiral dough mixer features a food-grade 304 stainless steel bowl for hygienic, high-volume mixing. Powered by a robust 1800W motor, it effortlessly handles bread, pizza, pastry, and other doughs in busy bakeries, restaurants, and pizzerias. The dual-action mixing system rotates both the spiral hook and bowl simultaneously for faster, more uniform dough development, while the dual-speed gearbox provides precise control for different dough consistencies. A gear-driven transmission enhances durability and minimizes maintenance compared to belt-driven models. The integrated safety cover automatically stops operation when opened, ensuring safer use. Built for daily commercial performance, it delivers reliable, consistent mixing results every time. Benefits: maximizes commercial efficiency. The large 40QT capacity and dual-action mixing system reduce preparation time, allowing faster production of large dough batches. Built for long-term reliability, the gear-driven dual-speed transmission and durable 304 stainless steel construction ensure dependable performance in demanding commercial kitchens. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get more information. Or, if you want to know product price, please check my video description. For any kind of queries, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it is going to make your life easier. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.